Hey AP Physics students, here are some hints for the assignment T6.1 starting on page 83 with number 18. You're going to like this assignment. It's very gentle, and the formula for the force of gravity between objects is not all that difficult. And for instance, with number 18, you have two objects, a bowling ball being one of them, billy ball, and you're certainly going to use the force of gravity formula. And the force of gravity in general is, recall, capital G, M1, M2 over R squared. Now, when you use the formula, capital G is the gravitational constant. That's not a problem. You can certainly look that up. The masses need to be in kilograms. The biggest issue here is what R stands for. R stands for not radius, but the distance from the center of one object to the center of the other object. I think that'll help you a lot. Let's look at number 24. Number 24 is showing, in fact, you've got a diagram for number 24, and let's see if I can show that to you. So you've got a couple of objects. Certainly there's the Earth, the Moon, and then the sun. So the force we're looking at is the gravitational force on the moon. Two things are pulling on it, the Earth and the sun. And so you have one object, the Earth, pulling, in this case, if you could think of it kind of in the solar system south, and then another force that is pulling kind of to the west. You use your vector addition skills that you learned earlier in the year, and so you're going to add two vectors together. But remember, when the two vectors are connected tail to tail, that is not adding vectors. So what you need to do is find the vector that goes this way. So they've labeled that the force of the sun on the moon, and then head to tail you add to that the vector that goes in this direction toward the Earth, the force of the Earth on the moon. And so what you're looking for then is the result. And so this is the thing we're looking for right now, is the resultant total gravitational force pulling on them. And because these are right angles, you could use the force of gravity formula, the same one as for the previous problem, but you've got them at right angles, so you don't need I and J. Easier mathematics would be preferred. This should help you a bunch. Good luck.